Hi Dovern.
Hello.
And welcome back to our videos this week on shape. We're going to be looking at a different sort of shape today. Up until now, what have we covered already, Miss Mitchell? We've covered
2D shapes.
2D shapes. What are some 2D shapes?
We've been learning about triangles and
3 sides.
circles.
On curved side.
A square.
Oh yes, 4 straight sides, all the same size.
All the same, yeah. And we've also learned about a rectangle as well.
Rectangle too. A bit like a square, but they are long, short.
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. So those are all 2D shapes. Here's a 2D shape. That circle. It's flat on the page. If I wanted to measure this 2D shape, I could measure how tall it is. I could measure its height. And I could measure how wide it is. I could measure its width. But today, we're going to have a little look at something called 3D shapes. Okay, and 3D shapes are a little bit different. With a 3D shape, you can measure how tall it is. You can measure how wide it is, just like we did with the 2D shapes. But you can also measure how deep it is, how far back it goes. We're going to be looking today at some different types of 3D shapes and some of their properties.
Exciting. What have we got here then?
Well, that's a tennis ball.
Oh, I know it's a ball, but I wonder what shape it's called. Is it? I know it's a 3D shape because Mrs. Mason just told me, but I'm pretty sure that this has got a special mathematical name.
So we're not calling it a circle.
It's not flat though like a circle, is it? It goes all the way round. I know it's got a name and I know it begins with a S sound. Not circle.
Sphere.
Sphere. This is called a sphere. It's a tricky word to say.
It is.
I can think of some other things that are a sphere. Can you?
Yeah. A football.
A football is a sphere. A golf ball.
Golf ball. Lots of different types of balls. I wonder why they make balls sphere-shaped.
That's a really good question.
I wonder what's special about this that makes it good for playing games like football or tennis. I know why. Because I'm going to look at the properties of it. And the properties means that it rolls, doesn't it? So what properties does it have that mean it can roll, Miss Mitchell?
A curved.
It's got a nice curved
I like that word.
face, a nice curved face, which means it rolls easily. That's why so many balls are sphere-shaped. What about this one here?
Well, when I look at that one, I think it looks a bit like an ice cream cone.
Maybe if I put my sphere on the top, I could have an ice cream.
It does look like an ice cream cone.
Do you know what I've just noticed? When you said ice cream cone, you actually named this 3D shape.
Did I?
Not the ice cream part, but the cone part.
Cone.
And actually, children, you may have seen traffic cones. Traffic cones are a cone shape, which is why they're called traffic cones. Fantastic. And we know this is 3D because we can measure how tall it is. We can measure how wide it is, but we can also measure how deep it is. Okay.
I've noticed something, Mrs. Mason. It's got another shape on it here.
Oh, it really has. Can you see that? We say that this has got a circle face. Okay, this part is a circle shape. Okay, it's the flat bit. This bit is different. Okay, so it's got one circle face. Fantastic.
Wow. I'd like to know what that one's called.
This is my pencil pot.
Oh,
Where have you put all the pencils?
I took them out. I wanted to have a look to see what kind of shape it is.
This is actually a pencil pot made from a tin can. Okay, and it's had some rope tied around it to make it look pretty. But it's got a special name and it's called a
cylinder?
Cylinder, that's right. And a cylinder is a great and useful shape. So this cylinder has got an open top where I can put my pencils in, but it's got a nice closed bottom, and sometimes when you first get your tin cans, that bit will be closed too. So you'd have a circle face here and a circle face here, and then you've got this section in the middle, this curved section in the middle. fantastic cylinder.
So we've learned the names of 3 3D shapes today.
3 3D shapes. That's a bit of a
Wow,
tongue twister.
it is a bit tricky to
So let's
say.
go back over them.
Yes.
Ready? I'm going to point.
Okay.
Can you shout them out?
Sphere, cone, cylinder.
Brilliant. Well done. I think that that's enough 3D shapes for us to learn
too.
today.
Yeah.
Sphere, cone, cylinder. But hold on a minute. Look what I've just found. I found a cork.
Oh wow, wait.
I wonder which 3D shape this is. Do you think it's a sphere?
No, because I don't think it looks round enough to be a sphere.
Okay. And it hasn't got any flat faces, has it?
No,
This
it's
has
not
got,
got curved.
this has got 2 flat faces. One here, can you see?
Wait a
And one
minute.
here. Maybe it's this one.
No, because it's not pointy.
It's not a cone.
No, it's not a cone.
What about this one?
I think they look really similar. I think they might just be both cylinders.
I think you're right, because look, it's got a flat face here, just like this one. And a curved face all the way around the side. And another flat face at the bottom. So this is a cylinder. I'm going to match it up. And that's what we'd like you to do today. We'd like you to go around and see if you can find any sphere shapes in your house, any cone shapes in your house, and any cylinder shapes. See if you can find them and give them the right name.
That sounds like a really fun challenge. I can't wait to see it. Can you?
Absolutely. Take care, everybody. Bye.
Bye.